Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to edit subtitle appearance on Netflix on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Netflix application. Make sure you're signed into your account. And once you are, go to your profile icon in the top right corner from the home page. Now, at the bottom of the menu, tap on Account. Open up with a web browser, scroll all the way down, and under Profile and Parental Controls, select your profile from the options. From the expanded menu, click on Subtitle Appearance, and now from this page, you can change the way your subtitle appears for your profile on Netflix. You can select the font type from the drop-down at the top, change the color of your font. You can see the preview at the top, how it would appear on your display after you make this change. You can also pick from the size of the text, whether you would like to choose the larger size, medium, or the small size. There are also additional settings such as shadow effects. If you'd like to choose the shadow effects for your text on your subtitle, choose it from the drop-down. Select the shadow colors, how you'd want it to highlight on the text. Also, you can choose the background for your text and the window color for your text and much more. After you are done customizing your subtitle appearance, click on the Save button at the bottom, and that way you'll be able to change your subtitle appearance in Netflix with the help of your mobile device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.